Today I'm gonna go to the grocery store, and when I come back, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So if you wanna come with me, don't forget your reusable bags, and let's get to the grocery store. It's like a semi-healthy barbecue haul, so I just wanted to show you guys what I do, and I'll just tell you some of the things we're gonna make also with these ingredients. So let's just get right into it. So I'll start with the household products, and then I will go towards the food. So I got some laundry soap. I really like this brand, Essential Weight Roast. They have like a sensitive skin version, and I have sensitive skin, so I get the laundry soap and the dish soap from this brand. And I actually really like it, and it's not super duper expensive. It's like fairly priced. And then I also bought a few refills of hand soap just from Ecos. These are pretty good because they are cheaper than buying the small ones. I just buy these and I refill them. And then I've got also a couple packs of tea. So I have a Moringa mint tea, and I have a Rubius tea. So I try to have a tea every morning. I've tried to be off coffee, but I actually did buy coffee this shopping trip because some days I've just been really tired and like craving coffee, and everything is okay in moderation. I don't want to completely deprive myself. So I decided to just buy a small thing of coffee just for those mornings that I really feel like I need it. Then I also bought some unsweetened hemp milk. It was on sale for $2.99, which is a really good price. Also got some ketchup, Kerrygold cheese. We're gonna be making on the barbecue sandwiches with cheese, tomato, and onion, and they're honestly the most amazing sandwiches I've ever had. Like, they're not super healthy, but they have tomatoes and onions in them, so there's some vegetables. So they're not the worst for you, but they honestly taste delicious. I also bought a couple packs of frozen berries and frozen blueberries just to make some smoothies. I bought also a pack of local eggs. And then on the barbecue, we're going to do these South African style sausages. We got 2 packs of these. And then my boyfriend makes a sauce with it. So it's like a tomato, onion, rundown sauce. And we just put it on top of the sausages, and we got some buns for that as well. So I'm kind of excited about that. Also for the barbecue, we bought a pack of ribs. So we got some thyme for the ribs. And then also some toast for the sandwiches that I was telling you about. And then on the side, we're gonna do a nice salad with some arugula, some avocado, and some cucumber. And then also in the oven, we're going to roast some butternut squash and some zucchini. I also got this huge thing of olive oil. I love olive oil. And something I don't normally do, we normally buy like small packs of chocolate or ice cream or something like that, but we were at the bulk food store. We stopped there really quickly, so we got this huge box of Rice Krispie Squares. I do not recommend this for your health, but for your sanity, sometimes you just need a Rice Krispie Square to bring you back to when you were like 12 years old and you were eating Rice Krispie Squares and life was a breeze. We weren't adulting yet, and it just kind of brings me back every time I have a bite of that. Okay, so we went to 2 different stores. The bulk store, we spent $52. I actually didn't picture it here, but we got a pack of toilet paper as well. So that's why that trip added up a little bit. And then at the regular grocery store was $88.94. So $88.94 plus $52 is $140.94 CI, which this currency is quite high in comparison to US dollar. So everything in total is $176 US. Where I live is not cheap at all. Mind you, my boyfriend and I share the groceries, so this isn't completely my expenses, and I'm really hoping that this food will last me for the week. We'll see how everything goes, and maybe I will film a little bit of the barbecue tomorrow, and just so you guys can see how the food turned out. really appreciate subscribers, followers, thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. I like to share healthy recipes and also just like living a balanced and healthy lifestyle, because you're not always going to be perfect. Things are going to happen. So I really and truly believe life is about balance, and I believe that slowly but surely you can change bad habits. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys!